Hello, my friends. I wanted to share this kit that I just received. All I've done so far is open up the little pizza box right here and take my address off. It is from Mind the Scrap in the UK, and I ordered all 5 kits. They had 5 kits for their September kit, so let's see what is what. Okay, I've got a handy dandy little note. Look at how cute. So I have a note from the owner, and let's take these out and see what is what. Okay, I bet that's the paper kit. All right, so there's a main kit, a paper kit, a Bougeot kit, an embellishment kit, blah, 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 blah. All right, so this would be the main kit, and this would be the paper kit. So what I think I will go ahead and do is show you all the paper in both packs of the kits so that we can see both sides. That is fun. And then I'll show you the little embellies that come with it. Ooh, I wonder what collection those alphas are from. Those are cute. Okay, so let's see, because like I said, I've never gotten anything from this club before, so let us see what's what. All right, first of all, this is from Amy Tangerine. It is called, Slice of Life, and I believe it's called The Universe. So I have this black and speckly bit. Then I have this incredibly gorgeous arrow paper. Next I have, from Wolfpack, Heidi Swap, I have Spotted. That's kind of a cool combination with this. There is Spotted, and then the flip side of that is this really gorgeous wood grain. So beautiful. Next we have Amy Tangerine, again, Sprinkle Confetti, Bright Bright Pink, and the flip side is this really great sunny lemon yellow square, but it's not like perfect grids. They're a little bit wonky. Next, I have Chamel Field Trip, and I guess, it's called Choose Adventure. That's this side. And then the other side is this black with white, kind of mixa. All right. I want to make sure that we can get everything in here. Next, I have Chamel Field Trip, and this is called Seek Knowledge. That's really cool. I love how it's going into different colors. And then the flip side is just a really great light, it's like a light aqua blue. I wouldn't even call it a baby blue, but it's a tone on tone. Next we have Boys Rule by Coco Vanilla. Happy Go Lucky. So it's like a wood grain, but it's charcoal. That's cool. And then the flip side is this really, really fab star. Very nice. Then it looks like we get 3 cardstocks. Okay, I have an incredibly yellow. I'm talking like burning my eyeballs yellow. It is called Grapefruit Bliss. I have 1 white and 1 black. Or I'm sorry, well, since I have both paper kits, I have 2 white and 2 black. So this is the paper from the main kit and the paper from the paper pack kit. All right, and then to go along with this, for the alpha, I have See the Good glitter and foam letter stickers. The thing that's cool about this, all right, it's black foam. Can you see that? And this is like multicolored glitter, and they're itty bitty. I'm saying these little guys, like when I say itty bitty, they're like 1.5 centimeters maybe tall. So it's multicolored glitter on the black, and then this is like the chipboard paper on the black foamy bits. Very cool. There's, a couple little plus signs, which are cool. I always love that. And I don't see any numbers. Total score. All right, so that's my alpha. Then I have from Chamel for a sticker pack. There's 140 in here. And this would be from Field Trip. I'm going to go like this, and then I'm going to really look at them with you. And here's this flip side. So on the front side, there's like a little label-y bit, you know, the dinosaurs, dragonflies, because this does remind you of Field Trip to a museum. Now this piece right here are all different pieces. So you can either cut it out as one if you want like the big pulled thing, or you have to repiece it together. Nice little ticket looking thing. That looks like Sue at COSI. Oh, a mastodon. We have those. In my city, they found a giant mastodon a number of years back. Anyway, then we have all these great little word pieces, super easy to use there. Some giant border strips and yada, yada, yada. Very cute. Very cool. Going to be a little challenge for me to use, but I'll find a way. Then the last thing that came with this are the Vicky Bouton embellishments. It says Art for Everyone. There's 50 pieces. And let me show you what we've got right here. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Very interesting combo we have. Okay, let me pull the next kit. So this is the September embellishment kit. And they're all packaged nicely. They're nice and separated out, all that kind of stuff. So to start, I have the Truly Grateful Puffy Phrase and Accent stickers. And these are like, you know that puffy that's right between acrylic and like shiny puffy is what I've heard them called recently. And there's a really nice way to be able to view that and flip it like this. So titles and titles and titles. And look at how well the colors go. That is some clever planning. So we have this. Ooh, I love this. Look at this word right here that says right now. It starts out darker on the top and gets lighter, and then darker on the bottom going up. So cool. Yeah, that's what a lot of the words have, is like some different kind of scuffy bits. Now the next thing in this set, this embellishment kit, is from Amy Tangerine. 40 die cut sheets that include glitter pieces. Oh, okay, so this alpha must be Amy Tangerine because the glitter is the same. It's that black multicolor glitter thing. Very cool. So here are the pieces that are hanging out in this Beyond Fab package. Oh, and I see little doggies, a kitty. Yeah, they have a lot of this really cool multicolor and black glitter. Very cool. Now the last thing in here is from Paige Evans, Truly Grateful, and it is the set of puffy stickers. Why didn't she send me 5? I don't know. So they kind of have a fallsy vibe. I have a little squirrel and leaves and all that kind of stuff, but they're not those really strong like orange and brown colors. So they are ever so usable. Okay, now let's see. Like I said, I ordered all 5 kits, so we've seen 3. Now, let's see. This next one, sorry about my arm, is the September Bougeot kit. And the owner said on her like live reveal that from now on, she's going to start each of her Bougeot kits with a paper pad, because you know how you get all your mileage out of a paper pad. So this time it looks like she has the Amy Tangerine new paper pad, Slice of Life. I didn't even see this collection, which makes it kind of fun. So let's take a look. There's 36 sheets in here. And I believe there's a sheet from every piece in her collection. I don't believe that it repeats. So let's take a look. Oh, there's that bright pink confetti. We have that in the kit. Little sweaters. It's a really nice kind of like a park bench green. Floral. Nice baby blue would look so good with this one. Black and white goes with everything. This is more of like an olive green. That's interesting. Nice arrows. Oh, this is like a tomato soup. That's not a true red. I don't know how it's coming through on camera. I'm going to come in just a little bit. But it's definitely more towards tomato soup. Black background. Mulberry color. Little animal print. this is nice. This is a really nice lemon yellow, which I can use with that very bright yellow paper. Bicycles. Now this is nice. The other one, they had the pea green, but this looks like it's swashed with yellow and blue to make this green color. So that's, yeah, it's interesting. It's different. Little cafes. Nice. This has, now this one right here, it's picking up some gray. Cute. Cupcakes. Oh, I would love a full sheet of that. That's gorgeous. Pretzels, don't really understand that one, but that's okay. Black and white. Cameras with funky little straps, that's fun. Confetti looking stuff. So as you see, it's not repeating. So if you want doubles of this, beyond gorgeous, then you would need 2 paper pads, which I find to be rather clever. That's that Falsey sheet. Maybe I could use that for a back or first day of school picture of my youngest daughter. Got that today. Okay, yep, I'm doing that. Anyway, oh, look at these hearts. Gorgeous. Love the watercolor hearts. Black and white, and then a nice little cut apart. So that's the first thing that is in the Bujo kit. And I don't know what Bujo means. Maybe she can tell me. I have no idea. Next, from Field Trip, I have the Chamel Alphas. Actually, I like the background. Can you see that the background's like little kid writing paper? That's cute. But they are definitely silver, and they are like puffy alpha stickers, and they're itty, itty, bitty. They are little. They are roughly 1 centimeter. Look at that. Cute. All right. And then I received from Dear Lizzie, seeing there's 69 stickers, and that's holographic. See how, is it picking up nicely in the camera, the holographic? Woo. Okay. Got that, and it has all these great little words. So it's 1 sticker sheet, I believe, and yeah, they don't repeat over and over. So how cool is that? So depending on what you're working on, you can go, you know, the green, the blue, the pink, whatever, or you can do rainbow words. Going down a whole layout. Okay, never mind. You'll probably see that. And then lastly, in the Bujo kit is Chamel Field Trip. They are called, let's see, enamel stickers. So we have cute little lightning bolts, little circly bits, and stars. So cute. I like that there's 3 of each of the lightning bolts too. Very cool. Now lastly, the mixed media kit. Is that what they call it? Yes, the September mixed media kit. And it's funny because I've never ordered from them before, and then I just ordered the entire thing. Okay, so first for mixed media, we have by Letterpress. It's a Letterpress ink pad. I've heard it's very, very juicy. It is a great, great vibrant spring green. It says ink pad does, oh, it's by We Are Memory Keepers. And the color is green, in case you pay attention to that stuff, which I'm not very great about stamping and all that stuff. We got the Amy Tangerine 13 stamp set. Fab, fab, fab. Camera right there. Okay, digressing, a little excited. Cute little teacup. We're going to call it a coffee cup. Little paw print right there. How cute. That goes with the kitties and puppies in her line. Hooray. So really cute, rather usable, especially with that thank you, because you could do a thank you card. Cute. Oh, look at this. This is Amy Tangerine washi tape spool. You are getting quite an amount. Let's see. But look at this thing. It's 2 inches. And you get 5 yards. Let's see. It's like I want to hoard it. And I know there's a ton. I'm going to just try to pull it out so you can really, really see all the colors in her collection. Now, look at that. It is massive and so cool. Okay. I know. It's a big deal. Kind of a big deal. Okay. That, and then, well, I guess it's going like that. And then lastly, I received We Are Memory Keepers Stitch Happy Multimedia Thread in Aqua. So you get 2 pieces. You get the thread, which is 100 yards, zoiks. But I think I'm going to go ahead and put that right in my sewing machine so I actually use it. And you also get the bobbin. And the bobbin has 10 yards. Good to know. Yeah, kind of cool. So that's the kit. I hope you're as excited by it as I am. And I will go ahead, if you would like, and leave a link, if I remember, because I have to hurry up and put this up, a link to Mind the Scrap. But, I mean, you can always Google Mind the Scrap. Anyway, this is it. And let me see. Let me see. Scrapbook kit is still in stock. Embellishment kit sold out. Mixed media kit in stock. Paper pack in stock. Bujo kit sold out. Okay, that's it. I'm going to do a layout with this next. So stay tuned. It's going to be released tomorrow for Challenge Accepted. Okay, here we go. Bye, friends.